Hey guys, this is a very impromptu vlog. I have been wanting to make these pants for a while now, and I've been waiting until I had the right moment. I sent my car to the shop on Friday. It is now Saturday. I won't have it until Monday, so I have plenty of free time to just sit here and sew to my heart's content since I'm stuck at the house. I mean, I've just been waiting till it's been the morning or when I can film a vlog that will look aesthetically pleasing. But it is now what time is it? Like 11 something at night, and I just feel like making it. I was in the middle of making something different, like a holiday, some kind of like holiday jumpsuit, but I'm not really feeling it because I know I really want to make these pants. So I'm gonna show you guys the material. I'm about to cut it. Ooh, this is too close. So I thrifted this like brown, almost like cargo material. You can see the 3 big pockets at the bottom. I really want that to be like the bottom part of the leg. What I'm thinking of are some high-waisted cargo pants that are fitted in the waist. There we go. And then they'll get more wide leg as they go to the bottom and incorporate those 3 pockets at the bottom, which I think would be really cool. They'll have hip pockets as well. So basically my camera had died during that last clip, but I've already cut out the fabric, sewn the front together, sewn the zipper, did the pleats. This is my first time doing pleats. They don't look that great. And put the pockets on the front part, and then I put darts on the back. So I have the front over here. So I have the front laid out. So there's a pocket with the zips. Sorry, there's like threads, loose threads everywhere. I just gotta iron it down because it's a little wrinkled. But here's the front with the zipper and the pockets and the pleats. The bottom front pockets, and now I'm gonna put the back on right sides facing. Clip down the side so that way I can sew it all together and try it on. So I just finished, oh, you can't even see me. I just finished sewing everything right sides facing, which means that it's inside out. So I'm gonna flip it right side out now and hopefully try it on and see what it looks like. So they're still a little big, but they are as wide as I want them to be at the bottom, which I'm very excited about. I just have to bring it in the waist because they are falling off of me. Ask me what time it is. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, so I don't want to be up for too much longer, but I took a really big nap before I started sewing this stuff, so I'm still kind of awake, so I might do the waistband, but you also might see me early in the AM finishing it up. But yeah, I'm going to take it in the waist and see where I go from there. So here they are. I got the waist right. It took me one more try to tighten them up, but it's here and it zips and works, which is cool. And then now I just have to put the waistband on and be Gucci. I really like the length as well. I might go ahead and try some shoes on to see what it'll look like with shoes to make sure this is the appropriate length, but I think I'm gonna wait to put the waistband on. But I am gonna steam this bad boy before I go to sleep because he's so wrinkled and I don't know why. I'm glad I'm finally making these bad boys. My pleats don't look as bad. I really like this side better than this side, and I think it's just because these are too far back. But it is 3 AM, so I don't feel like going back to change that, so I will not. Ha 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 ha. This is it with tennis shoes. I think I could get away with that if I style it right, and it's like steamed and ironed. But then also, let me show you guys what it looks like with some boots. Okay, I feel like I'm just have to style this tomorrow morning because right now it just feels stupid. If I'm being honest. And I also want to make this like puffer vest out of this sleeping bag that I found at this local thrift store. So it wasn't Goodwill or Value Village. But it's kind of like a Burberry print. But it's this big sleeping bag, and it came with this red zipper that I want to use for the zipper as well. I feel like sitting cool always makes things look better when they're like really orthodox. And actually I kind of like that. It might be just this hoodie that's throwing me off because it's not, I'm not wearing it to match. I'm wearing it because I'm cold. But anyway, I think those, they look good. They look cool. Okay, I'm gonna steam them and get them right because yeah, I really enjoy those actually now that I see them like that. So yeah, that is what I'm up to. I'm gonna steam this bad boy and then probably just go to sleep. It's the next day and I will finish those pants, but first we're going to IHOP. Because
you know what scratched me on my face.
Oh gosh, because we want some breakfast. So the whole fam's going. This is what I'm wearing. It doesn't really matter. What is this called? A pullover? My crop pullover with elastic, and then these pants I made for Thanksgiving, which are really nice. And then my black Harley Davidson boots. Oh my god, we look so related. So it looks like no time has passed for you, but we're back. We had IHOP, it was very good. So now I'm gonna finish these pants. My whole sewing station is crazy, but I'm gonna finish these pants.
He's gonna make me some pants.
No, I'm not.
I actually want like a
I'm not saying so, sorry. So one thing that's definitely leveled up my sewing is this serger. It's kind of broken because when I moved it fell and this came off, but it still works. But anyway, so sergers basically finish the ends for you so that way they don't fray. So I can give you an example. They like cut off the excess, and then at the end you'll see they'll be like this. Hold on, sorry. So it'll be finished so it doesn't fray. Serging is very important because that's how you actually get a finished garment. And most of the time, all garments have like serge lines like this, but the serge thread is the same color as the garment, so sometimes you can't see it, which is cool, but changing this guy is a lot, and I don't like to do that for every time. Also, sneak peek of something that I've been trying to make for a while now. So right now I'm just gonna serge both the legs and then the middle crotch seam, and then I'm gonna attach the waistband that I just finished ironing on my ground. Hold on. I just finished ironing down the waistband. So hopefully we can get this pant done. So if you start sewing, a seam ripper is gonna be your best friend and worst enemy. Because now I'm gonna take out these pleats because I think they look atrocious. And I said I was gonna put a dart, but I actually might just do one big pleat in the middle on both sides and call it a day because I really do like this. I just want to fix it up because it looks crazy right now. So I have to just try it on now with the new pleats. I still have to iron them down, but it is looking pretty good now. I think that looks a lot better than what it did before. Cool, so I'm going to try to align the back of the waistband with the back of the actual pant, the center back. Yeah. So it looks like my waistband isn't wide enough to hide this chaotic little string that's going in here. I thought it'd be, but it is still hiding our stay stitch, which is all I truly care about. Wow, I did not even sew any of that. The waistband is on, and now I just have to add the button right here and a little buttonhole. I guess the buttonhole right here, button right here, buttonhole right there, and then we're gonna be done. So I just had on a different outfit, but I took a picture and put it on Instagram instead of recording it for this video, so you guys get this one. I'm not as impressed with this little fit, but you know, I love a good blazer tucked into some pants. As you can see, the waistband is done. There you go, get some nice zoom in content of my crotch. But yeah, waistband is done, button is on there. What I had on before was just big and boxy. I can just put it back on, hold on. This sweatshirt is no stranger to my Instagram. My little New York sweatshirt. But anyway, this was the first look. I had on a pair of different shoes, but these actually kind of work too. Just big and boxy. Just going with the silhouette of the pant. I kind of feel like a 2000s b-boy or something. I probably wear like a turtleneck under it as well, but don't feel like getting all hot just to put on a turtleneck. But I'm actually kind of really into this. You guys know I have silhouette preferences. I do like high-waisted, cropped, slim fit, or I just like big and boxy. And I feel like this is what this kind of caters to. So here's the oversized white shirt. I got this also at my local thrift store. Oh, the same place I actually got the drapes that I made these pants out of, just on different days. But it's like this huge billowy shirt. I'm like so in love with it. Can't wait to wear it during the summer. And the white is making this all exposed. But anyway, and I paired it with my little probably faux snakeskin burgundy boots. And I feel like I like this look the absolute most out of the three of them. I have one more look in mind. Looks good. I really enjoy that. Alright, this is the last look. Definitely very pirate, boho chic or whatever. I definitely feel like a pirate. But what's cool about this leather jacket, and yeah, these are supposed to be. But what's really cool about this leather vest is that it is, can you see, it's Harley Davidson, which is so cool because it also matches my boots, which are Harley Davidson. You can't see the little logo, but it's right there. I'd wear this. Don't know where I'd wear it to. Maybe just out and about when I'm feeling some kind of way, but that's it. And guess what? That is it for this video. I made these pants. I'm super excited. I still want to make that vest out of the sleeping bag that's over there, but I'm running out of that cream thread, so I need to go buy some more. But anyway, that is it for this vlog type video of me making some cool pants that I just really wanted to make. I'm happy to be back on YouTube. Hopefully there'll be many more videos for me. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you guys very soon. See you guys later.